May 13th, 2026. Here we have the price action for NQ today, or TQQQ in this case, but NQ mirrors it, essentially. All of the yellow lines you see are trades that I took. We had one win, 2 wins, and then 1 loss. So 2-1 today. And we're going to look at the price action. We're going to look at the alignment channels that occurred. And first off, just let's look at the price action and how it plays around with these critical levels. So right here at market open, we open at previous day's high, this line right here. We open at previous day's high and we immediately sell off. We fight against VWAP and the 42 blue EMA. We sell off, and then look what happens. We come down here to the pre-market low, and we have a strong, look at this strong momentum change. Look at this, a lot of buying volume coming in. We stay fighting with the VWAP and 42 blue for a little bit, and then we surpass that. We hold above that. Then we fight with the 200 EMA, and then we surpass that. Then we come up to this next critical level. What was that critical level again? Right where we opened. That is the previous market day's high. So we come back to this critical level after fighting all the way up, and what happens? We never come back. We literally never come back. That was the clear situation right there for just reading the story of the market today and the price action with regards to how it plays with these critical levels. And the bold red line is the pre-market high. So pretty interesting there. Let's get into the alignments that I took, the alignment channels that I captured today. So the first one was here at 8:57. Why was it in alignment? Well, look at the 5-minute data. The 5-minute momentum is down, okay? The 15-minute down, 30-minute down, 2-hour doesn't really matter in this case. This is just extra context. We use that for extra context. So here, the momentum on the execution time frame, the 1-minute chart in this case, was going up, finally goes down, finally aligning with the higher time frames. So that 1-to-1 was a win right there. Next alignment that I captured was here at 11:23. Why? 5-minute going up, 15-minute in the green and strong, 30-minute almost across. It hasn't yet crossed over, but it's literally about to. It's getting close, and that's all we needed. Because why? This has been selling off. Look at the momentum overextended here. We were waiting for the 5-minute to become strong. That's why we didn't take this trade here. This 5-minute was still in the red, so we had a little bit of caution. Either way, I didn't take these because I wanted the momentum to cool off and really get a better charge and not take these overextended opportunities. So it sells off, momentum dies, and then boom, right here. That's why it was my entry. That first alignment of momentum. Now, I should have had runners here. I should have taken a bigger position so that I could have captured all of this. At least I should have had runners, but I didn't have any runners, unfortunately. So I just had a regular win, and that's fine. That's all right. I learned my lesson, and I understand why I should have had runners. Why should I have had runners? Why did I say that? Well, because the 30-minute was on its way to crossing over. It hadn't crossed over yet, which means there was a lot of potential juice in the tank still. There was a lot of potential energy that was still able to be released. Because why? The 2-hour was going up. So that's the thinking there to be aware of. And then for the final trade I took, which was a loss, I jumped the gun. I literally thought that this histogram bar ticked up because this is going down. I thought this one ticked up, and it in fact did not. We had an alignment though. This was a valid trade had it ticked up, but it straight up did not do that. So I jumped the gun, and that was my mistake. That was a literal error, and I could have gotten out for a break even. but I was too slow, so I just took a regular loss on that one. So all in all, that was today's trading activity. Those are the alignments that I took. And with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Take care now.